Hopefully we can get out of here. Like a river of mud out there.
Yeah, we're back in Maine on Sunday.
And it's raining again.
Again.
Every
weekend.
Yeah, it seems like every weekend's the same thing.
So
we brought the rest of the windows up. We had intentions of putting them in today, but I don't think that's going to happen.
So we're just going to unload them?
Yeah, we're going to unload them.
Anyway, we'll see what we can do. This might not be a very exciting
video. Probably not.
Video work day.
My morning workout. Look, I get the arrow.
Oh,
in the right direction.
Good job. Nice work. It's a more manageable window, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
That's one of our little guys. That's the bathroom window that goes up and down.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
And then
Kitchen is side to side.
that one's side to side. Ooh, and the last window to bring up, the big one.
Yep, I think so. What's it say over there?
Yep.
All right.
Yep, that's the upside. Oh boy.
You can almost see Mount Washington.
Really?
Yeah, behind that big cloud over there. The mosquitoes bite my arm as soon as I pick this up. You can't scratch it.
Maine, where the state bird is the black fly.
I don't think it's a mosquito today. Treehouse is moving.
Yeah, I can hear it. Crickety cracking.
Yep.
Here comes the rain. Yikes.
20 feet to the ground.
Oh, don't will it into existence. There.
Hopefully we can get out of here. Like a river of mud out there. Jamie's favorite thing. Man, it is coming down. It's probably a quick 10-minute storm, but absolutely a ton of rain. All
right, we're running out of here. We keep having like waves of
Heavy rain
hitting us, so we're gonna make a break for it.
We don't get stuck.
And guess we'll be back in 5 days and see if we can get more accomplished then. So, all right. Oh boy.
That's a rock.
I'm a little nervous here now. Maybe this is the last will and testament following Jamie. It does look nice and flat. Paul worked on that with the tractor while I was
Tried to a little bit.
trying to clean the camper, which is semi-pointless. I need like a little robot vacuum in there because it's just dirt all the time.
Ooh, it is soupy.
Oh boy. There we go. He looks so unhappy, doesn't he? He does not like getting wet, do you, Murray?
He does not like getting wet.
The rain bothers you, doesn't it? And as we're four-wheel driving backwards through mud to get out of the driveway.
So much for my smooth road.
All right, bye-bye, rainforest.